What's better than a delicious piece of fruit? You're right, Debo. Vegetables are yummy too. I wonder, what's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Super suggestion! We'll go into that garden to figure it out. I'm gonna need wings and a grabber arm.
Wings, grabber arm, confirmed.
Okie dokie, artichoke. Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. All right, we're in a community garden where all kinds of fruits and vegetables grow. Look, there's one right now.
Step right up. You're the next contestants on Slim Cucumber's certified fresh game show.
Fruit or vegetable?
Tell us your names.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Now, Blippi and Debo, a quick review before we start. All fruits have a pit or seeds in them and grow on a plant with flowers.
Fruits have pits or seeds and always flowers. Got it.
And vegetables are different. There are root and leaves.
Got that too.
Excellent. Let's play. Tell me, Blippi, is this carrot a fruit or...
Ooh, the carrot is a vegetable because it's a root and has leaves.
That's right! But can Blippi go 2 for 2? So tell me, is this tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
This is tough. Okay, a tomato grows from a plant, but it has seeds. It's also a vegetable?
Oh, sorry. Tomato is a fruit. Now, your final question, Blippi. Can you tell me if this strawberry is a fruit or vegetable?
Strawberry is a fruit.
Yes, strawberry is a fruit, and you gave 2 correct answers, which means this trophy is all yours!
Wow, thanks, Mr. Slim. And I also have the answer to my question. What's the difference between fruits and vegetables? Vegetables are roots and leaves, and fruits have flowers and a pit or seeds. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mr. Slim.
Congrats to you, Blippi. That's our game. I'm Slim the Cucumber, and by the way, I'm a fruit. Tune in next time for our special guest, Madam Mango, on Fruit or Vegetable.
I love chocolate. Just a little bit now and then. Do you love it too, Debo? Oh, right. Dogs can't have chocolate. It hurts their tummies. I wonder, how are chocolate bars made? Great idea! We can go into that chocolate factory and find out. I'm gonna need wings, hovercraft, and a prop engine.
Wings, hovercraft, prop engine, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go meet some chocolate bars in the chocolate factory.
Hey there! You're not cocoa beans! I need them so we can start making chocolate bars.
I'm not a bean, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi. Hi, Debo. I'm Barb the Chocolate Bar. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Thanks, Barb. I'd love to see how chocolate bars are made. Can we come with you?
Absolutely. It all begins with cocoa beans. These beans come from plants.
So, how do beans become a chocolate bar?
They go on a little journey. First, a bean bath. Next, our beans get roasty and toasty. Then they get made into teeny weeny beans. Our bean powder then gets mixed with sugar and milk to make them sweet and smooth.
Woohoo! Come on, Debo, time to ski. No, but it'll be fun. It's Chocolate Bar Debo.
After the chocolate is cooled into bar shapes, we wrap them and they're ready. Ta-da!
Whoa! You both look alike. And I have the answer to my question. How are chocolate bars made? Cocoa beans get washed, heated, crunched, mixed with milk and sugar, and then cooled down into a chocolate bar. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for a sweet tour, Barb.
Anytime. Bye, Blippi.
Bye-bye. I see the moon, stars, and is that a planet? Oh, it is, Tabs. Whoa! There's a whole area out there in space with the planets and the sun. It's called the solar system. I wonder, what planets are in the solar system? Good idea, Tabs. Let's go into outer space. I'm gonna need a rocket booster.
Rocket booster confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Now it's time to get planet size. Growing up! Right, Tabs, we're in space. Whoa, it's a meteor. Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Welcome to outer space. I'm Mary the Meteor.
I'm here to find out about all the planets in our solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. Let's meet them, shall we? Closest to the blazing sun are the 2 smallest and hottest planets, Mercury and Venus.
Whoa, that is hot.
We should go. The 3rd planet is your home, Earth.
Hi, Mom.
Then there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is red because it's covered in rusty soil.
That's a lot of dust.
Come on! Next up is the giant Jupiter, bigger than all the planets combined. He doesn't scare me, though. Whoa! We should go!
We sure are a long way from the sun now.
Welcome to Saturn and her rings.
Whoa, they look beautiful. Can we get closer?
Of course!
Whoa, whoa, yeah, whee!
Wait, we haven't finished yet. On your left is Uranus, billions of miles from the sun, pretty cold. Now let's hear it for the furthest, windiest, and coldest planet, Neptune!
Whoa! I have the answer to my question. What planets are in our solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Upload answer, Tabs. Thanks for the tour, Mary. That was wild.
See ya, Blippi. Time for a shower. A meteor shower!
Bye, Mary the Meteor. Whoa, Tabs! Look at this amazing rainforest. You're right. I bet all kinds of interesting animals are in there. I wonder, what kind of animals live in a rainforest? I'm gonna need spider legs and the grabber arm.
Spider legs, grabber arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Wow! This place is so green! They must get a lot of rain here.
Yes, we do actually.
Hey! It's me, Blippi. This is Tabs.
Hello, I'm Bi, the giant panda bear. Glad to meet you.
We want to know what kind of animals live in a rainforest. Can you show us around?
Yes, okay, but I am meeting my sister for lunch and I'm always late, so I'd like to be there first for once.
We won't be long.
Super! Let's go see what we can find.
Yeah! Thanks, Bi.
I do get a little hungry before lunch, so could you help me collect some bamboo on the way? Just for a snack.
Sure. Whoa! This bamboo is as tall as a house.
The juiciest shoots are at the top. Would you mind?
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Lovely!
Whoa, look! There's a monkey.
He's a golden monkey. Hi, Fred. Sorry, Fred. All pandas love bamboo. It's all we ever eat, actually.
Not even ice cream?
Not even ice cream, unless it was bamboo flavor. Could you get me a little more bamboo? All this chewing makes me terribly hungry.
Sure thing.
There's a nice stalk just there.
Whoa! Little red bugs.
Oh, it's Reese and Fiona. They're red bamboo weevils.
Hi, buggies.
Oh no! I'm going to be late again. Sorry, we need to go. Oh, not again. I'm sorry, but I was helping my new friends Blippi and Tabs.
Hello.
Could I possibly share some of your bamboo, please?
Thanks for the tour, Bi. You really helped me answer my question. What kind of animals live in the rainforest? Golden monkeys, red beetles, and giant panda bears who love eating bamboo. Upload answer, Tabs. I think it's time for a snack of our own. See you later. Bye-bye, Bi. Look at that snowflake! Whoa! Whoa! I agree, Debo. Snowflakes are beautiful. I wonder, how is a snowflake made? You're right, Debo. We can go up into a cloud and find out. I'm going to need a grabber arm and wings.
Grabber arm, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out how a snowflake is made. We're way up high, and the air is very cold.
Isn't it so chill? I mean, welcome to my cloud.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. It looks like you're working hard.
You're right. I'm a small particle now. Soon I'll be a big snowflake. Can you pass me those big water vapor clouds? The water in the cloud freezes on me, and then I grow more crystals. One snowflake can contain as many as 100 ice crystals!
All of those ice crystals sure made you strong, Mimi.
Here! Yeah. Go catch, Debo! Now that I'm heavy enough, I can fall towards the ground! Follow me! Yay!
Mimi, each time water vapor sticks to you and becomes ice crystals, you get even bigger and more impressive.
Thanks!
You have 6 points, same as every other snowflake, but your own one-of-a-kind design.
Yep, no two snowflakes are alike. That means there's no one like me. That's why I'm called Mimi. A snowman. Perfect. I can land there with the rest of my squad. I did it! Stuck the landing!
Way to go, Mimi! And I have the answer to my question. How is a snowflake made? It starts as a particle in the air and collects ice crystals as it gets colder and colder, eventually forming a unique snowflake. Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Mimi.
Bye, Blippi!